Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to use BiP Messenger application BIP, and this application available on Android and iOS devices. Using this application, you can chat, create a group, or call as a video and audio call absolutely free. Same look like in a WhatsApp. You can consider as an alternative as a WhatsApp because of some privacy policy, and you can use as a same Signal Messenger, Telegram, or rest of chatting application same as it is. So how to use this application in your Android or iOS device? So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So this application available on Google Android Store, Google Play Stores available. You just type here BIP message, otherwise BIP, and then enter. So this message are coming there, and Android devices comes this application on App Store. So let's start as a mobile screen. So first of all, open your App Store and simply type here BIP. So BIP Messenger. So this application comes here like an BIP Messenger video call, and I open this application. After installation, you open this application like enjoy chat, video, audio call with your friends, families, and so on. Get start, continue. So you add here your mobile number, which mobile number you are using accordingly. Here OTP is come. You can add here photos of your using your photo library in your mobile phone. You add here your name, like I'm adding my name here, Research Rocks. Next, continue. Okay, this application are checking someone are using BiP application in my contact list. So here completely some like this I okay here. So Sangram Singh are using this BiP application, and I'm chat here like so directly look like this. I'm type here hello. So here word is automatically come, or he is receiving, means myself I am receiving this chat. So you can chat like this way, and some two options are available here like a video call, audio call. Using this application you call as a video audio. Some selecting one of my friend is using this application, so I'm just typing here hello. So after some times he received this hello and back to reply me. So you can use this application also consider as an alternative of WhatsApp, and you can enjoy some basic information is available here. You can change your name and your status, like here I am the best. You can put it here as a status like same in WhatsApp status. So there is some options are available like in basic information. Some camera options are there. You can click the pictures options also available here. BiP web applications also available. You can scan this code, and this application access on your laptop screen like here. So just I'm simply scan this code and access my application on my laptop screen. So same like in a WhatsApp and Signal Messenger application like this way. So look at this application right now I am accessing in my laptop screen, and just I'm type here. So this hello comes here. You can use this application like as a web-based applications also available here like this way, web.bip.com/chat. So I'm creating this ID and accessing my laptop screen using web features. Again, someone you just directly calling here of your contact automatically comes here. So how many people are using this BiP application? So I'm just randomly call like here one of my family member using this application. I'm calling here, missed call, receive calls options are available here. Again I menu discover. You can add here new services, trending services, how many services ongoing, gaming. This features amazing. You can use this application and directly play here games. Your contact list, so only one person are using this BiP application of my contact list. Dial pad, camera setting. So setting chat settings is available here. Backup, save gallery without services, never, always save the photos in my galleries. Notification, you can use this features like notification and change your notification ringtones, caller ringtones, phone ringtones like here you can change notification enable off, so I'm always enable this notification. Block list, you can block someone using these features. My account, so my account number, clear history, you can add your email address also here. Privacy, you can active your FaceTime on here, like password, so without your permission no one using this. You can on your face ID also. So some basic icons are available, you can select this icon and use this one, like dark mode, day mode, night mode. Some features are available here, so that one is amazing, so I'm selecting this one. Some payment settings also available here, you can add your payment card detail. Using this application you can payment of online payment options also available, like in a petrol pump or rest of other Amazon, Flipkarts, and rest of options are available. Help us for the contact us, teams, policy, privacy policy options, all informations available on that particular blog. Last one options is this, using this invite option, invite your friends using personal text messages service like this. I'm sending this invitation, invite, send the select the contact, so invitation are sending using email ID. I can send the invitation. It's very simple. Someone are install this application and connect with you. Is absolutely free and amazing application nowadays. You can consider as an alternative of WhatsApp application. It's very simple. You have any question regarding this application, you can comment me. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.